In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Luminous Inverter warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and head on over to luminousindia.com. Then from here, we want to scroll to the bottom of the page. Now we're going to head to the Luminous's footer. So from here, under Luminous Care, go ahead and click onto register a product. Now on this page, this is where we can go ahead and register your inverter warranty. So they've offer a paperless warranty here. So basically by registering your product, you can also create an account where you can manage your registered products, get helpful info and much more. So just go ahead and put in your name, your email ID, your mobile number, address, PIN code, enter your city, state, also choose category, and then you want to find your 14-digit serial number on your Luminous Inverter. So go ahead and put that in, and then also you need to take a photo, but the photo cannot be any more than 1 megabyte in size. Interesting, it's only 1 megabyte because if you take a photo on your smart camera, it's going to actually be more than 1 megabyte. So you might need to take a photo of your inverter and just take a screenshot on your phone, and that's going to drop the size of it, and then basically from that upload your purchase proof and then click submit, and that's going to successfully register your Luminous Inverter.